there's huge differences, and I'd hardly even know yet. I mean, my basis of understanding of contemporary art begins with a very almost New York centric point of view, because that was where I went to graduate school. But of course, you know, there's German centers to contemporary art since 1968. There's British, there's British colonial, there's there's a growth of African contemporary art. I think it really began with photography and the international art scene, and then it's become much richer as the decades have progressed. And of course, each of the countries in Latin America bring their own art histories to bear, and it's all very rich. You could always be a student of it. And what's unique about Miami is that we're sort of in this cusp, this threshold city where you know, we have access to these different histories, you know, within a 700-mile radius. If you just look at the circle around Miami. And, you know, each of the Caribbean cultures are different and have a different story from one another. And, you know, sometimes though people might look the same as one another, their experience of color is completely different as an identity. Hopefully this kind of diversity can help break up the tendency towards grand assumptions that we in our country have around race, because there's so many differences.